Meet Anne. Today I am going to teach you about stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks. A security that represents the ownership of a fraction of a corporation. Investors buy support of the company, that is called shares, that turns into an interest for the investment they made. Examples of stocks: SM Investment Corporation, Jollibee, PLDT, San Miguel Corporation. Bonds. A type of investment designed to aid governments and corporations to raise money. How it works: bond is purchased by an investor, coupon payments is made, company repays the principal. Examples of bonds: Sun Life Asset Management, Ramver Financials, FAMI Metrobank Group. Mutual funds. A professionally managed investment fund that pulls money from any investors to purchase securities. How it works: investors gives money to mutual fund company that invests money to equities, bonds, gold, money market instruments, and other that pays back interest to investors. Examples of mutual funds: BDO and AFP MBI. Now, meet my friend.
Hi, my name is Joy. So now I'm here to share you the information about the credit cards and consumer loans. Here is the two different ways of borrowing money. First, we have here the credit cards. Alright, so credit cards is good for someone who prepares flexibility, as it gives you the opportunity to borrow as you go, as long as you stay within your credit limit or credit provides. So you can use this when you are going to buy to malls. So you can use any kind of credit cards like RCBC, BPI, bank, e-commerce. Alright, so here, the number 2, we have the consumer loans. So consumer loans, so good for someone who wants to borrow a one-time amount that you pay back of a set down payment plan. Alright, it is how much you need to pay back each month. So here the types of consumer loans. First, the mortgage plans for house. We also have the credit card loans. We have also the car loans. Student loans. And also the personal loans. So yeah, that is the types of consumer loans that we need to know. Also, here is the difference between the secured and unsecured loan, which is backed by collateral and not backed by collateral. Open-end loan, it is a loan that must pay back a minimum amount plus the interest before the specific date. While the closed-end loan, it is a installment credit, which is it can be used to and make equal monthly payment over a period of time. Alright, so let's go meet my new friend. Here is
Hi, I'm Helen. Today, I am going to teach you about simple and compound interest. Interest is defined as the cost of borrowing money as in the case of interest charged on a loan balance. Simple interest is calculated on the principal or original amount of a loan. Formula: A equals P times R times N, where A is final amount, P is principal amount, N is annual interest rate, T is term of loan in years. Example: James invests 5,000 pesos in a savings account at annual rate of 8% for 5 years. How much money did he earn in interest? First, let's define the given. P equals 5,000 pesos. R equals 8%. Convert into decimal, so 0.08. N is 5 years. And here's the formula, which P equals 5,000 pesos and R equals 0.08 and N equals 5. Then first, we multiply the left side, which P times R. 5,000 pesos times 0.08 equals 400. Then bring down 5 and multiply again. 400 times 5 equals 2,000 pesos. So 2,000 pesos James earned in interest. Example number 2. Naomi invests 8,000 pesos into an account paying an annual interest rate of 8.7% for 7 years. How much money did he earn in interest? Let's define the given, where P equals 8,000, R equals 8.7%, converted into decimal, so 0.087, N equals 7 years. And here's the formula again, which P equals 8,000 pesos and R equals 0.08 and N equals 7. Then first we multiply the left side, which P times R. 8,000 times 0.087 equals 696. Then bring down 7 and multiply again. 696 times 7 equals 4,872 pesos. So 4,872 Naomi earned in interest. Compound interest is calculated on the principal amount and the accumulated interest of previous period, and thus can be regarded as interest on interest. Formula: A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT, where A is final amount or future value, P is principal or original amount, R is annual interest, N is number of period per year, T is time per year. And here's is the example number 1. Maria puts 20,000 in a savings account, paying 8% annual interest, compounded monthly. At this rate, how much money will be in the account after 10 years? Let's define the given. P equals 20,000, R equals 8%, converted into decimal, so 0.08. T equals 10 years, or time per year. N or number of periods per year, is equals to 12. NA is unknown. And here's the formula for compound interest. 20,000 times 1 plus 0.08 over 12 raised to 12 times 10. So bring down 20,000 and 1 plus 0.08 over 12 is equal to 0.006667, and raised to 12 times 10 is equal to 120. Then now, copy the 20,000 and 1 plus 0.00667 is equal to 1.00667 raised to 120. Then, copy again the 20,000 and 1.00667 raised to 120 is equal to 2.219640235, and multiply both. So the answer is A equals 44,392.80 pesos. Example number 2. James wants to have 2 million pesos for retirement in 45 years. He invests in a mutual fund paying an average of 9.5% each year compounded quarterly. How much should he deposit into his mutual funds? Let's define the given. A equals 2 million pesos. T equals 45 years. R equals 9.5%. Converted into decimal, so 0.095. N equals 4. P is unknown. And here is the formula. A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. Copy the 2 million pesos equals P times 1 plus 0.095 over 4 is equal to 0.02375, and 4 times 45 is equals to 180. Copy again the 2 million pesos, write the P. 1 plus 0.02375 is equals to 1.02375. Copy the 180. Copy again the 2 million pesos. 1.07375 raised to 180 is equals to 68.37615231. To cancel the 68, 37, 61, 52, 31, divide to the whole equation. P equals 2 million pesos over 68.37615231 is equals to 29,249.9641 pesos.
Again, this is Anne, Joy, and Helen. Thank you for listening.